Hey guys, Episode 2 here, welcome back to Splatoon. And last time on Turf War Battles, we tested out one of the new August update weapons, and that was the Slosher. And today we are going right back into some more Turf War Battles. Yeah, let's get it. This time we are going to use the other new weapon that we got for the August update, and that is the Heavy Splatling. And like I said, the Heavy Splatling is basically the Splatoon's way of saying the Gatling gun. But yeah, it's really good, and let's see how we do in Turf War. Yeah, maybe. Okay. And the courses we got, maps we got, are Blackbelly Skate Park and Kelp Dome. And we got Blackbelly Skate Park. So like I said, with the Gatling gun, it needs a little charge and then fires like no one else can. Especially since this is its own new weapon class. It fires really fast, has great range, and yeah, fires lots at once. So yeah, and plus you don't even have to charge it. If there's like an enemy nearby, you don't have to charge it like super. You don't have to like charge it like all the way. You can just like charge it for like a little bit and then like kill the person first. It fires like the arrow spray, but like longer. Oh yeah, and by the way, we're losing. But I got my ink strike, so not for long. I know there's someone there! Ha 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 ha! I knew he was taking that path. Whoa! There's someone behind me. The arrow spray. Can't have this now, can we? I know he's approaching. I know that he is approaching. Not right now. I have low ink. Great. So yeah, once you're up here, it's a really great place to just use the Gatling gun. Because with that long range and fast fire, you just can't be beat. No! I didn't get time to charge it. See someone. I gotta go! What was that? Alright, we are going to win. Yeah! Yeah, we totally won. Yeah! And then my guy just does a little dance. I have no idea what he's doing. He's just doing a little dance. He's like doing an Irish dance. I don't know. He's just like hugging the Gatling gun and dancing. He's just dancing, tiptoe dancing. I don't even know. I don't even know what to say about that. Alright, let's get into another battle. back on Black Belly Skate Park. Let's see if we can win once again. Alright. Let's take this pathway again. There's someone there. No! No, no, no! No, no, no! Yeah, I got him though! I got him though! How about we take this way instead? Oh dear, oh dear! I thought it wasn't gonna get me! I guess I was mistaken. We're still winning anyway, I'm just saying. I know that someone is there. I know someone's there. Oh dear! I didn't even see that person. I had my ink strike. My ink strike. I'm getting on top there. Okay, I splatted someone. Get back up! Get back up! What am I doing? What am I doing? Get up there! Oh, yeah, we won anyway. Yeah! Another win. Fourth win. Yeah. Back to my dancing. Dancing! Dancing with my fancy Gatling gun, if I do say so myself. That's the fancy dance with a fancy Gatling gun. Even though that dance might not be fancy. Alright, let's do one last battle, as we usually do. Well, sometimes we only do 2 battles, but, you know, let's do a third. Let's see if we get Black Boy Skate Park again. Oh, no, we got a couple. No. Alright, a little change of things. It wouldn't hurt to change the pace. I mean, the Gatling gun and the slosher, those aren't really weapons that you'd use to take time and ink every little itty-bitty piece. Oh wait, I have low ink. Oh dear! You know! That's what happens when I don't charge in time. or have no ink. Right? Oh, wow, I had no ink. Okay. Where are all these people? Yes. Alright, we're at, like, tied right now. Let's keep it that way. No, you don't! Maybe you do, so what? Alright, we have a minute to catch up. That's what we'll do. Right? Dear gosh, what? Oh, Dynamo. Oh dear! The campers return. Those little campers. And we lost. But out of the 3 battles, I won 2 out of 1, so I still beat that guy who was being a camper, so it all works out good. Anyway, thank you all for watching this episode of Splatoon, and like I said, since this is the 9th Turf War battle, next time we will most likely start off the story mode, which will be good because then we can take down some bosses and finally get that arrow spray that all those campers use. So yeah, anyway, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.